Bitcoin's now trading under 30,000 and the doom merchants are all calling for a crash of catastrophic proportions for the cryptocurrency. But is it? In today's chart of the day, I take a look at the technical analysis to try and unravel the picture. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of The Stock Punter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. So it's the usual three-step process to the analysis, and the first chart is probably what a lot of crypto traders are looking at. It's a simple line chart and it's a longer term view. It's set to the weekly, and what it's showing us is a nice head and shoulders pattern, and that's where a lot of the doom and gloom is coming from, because we can see it's, you know, the two shoulders either side, the head pattern, and normally what happens there is that distance from the top of the head down to the neckline, there is the retracement back. So if you put that circle down below the shoulders, you're talking, you know, a crypto price, you know, around 17 to 15,000, and that's where all the doom and gloom is currently coming from. But you can see actually, you know, by looking at the Fibonacci numbers there, yeah, around the 32,000 area is a key sort of consolidatory area for the price. But we've got the top of the shoulders around that 61.8% line, you know, around 39,000, 40,000, and then it's way breaking up to those highs of 60,000. But like I say, at the moment, picture's not looking great, but because of all that noise around the 30 to 32,000 area, this could be a consolidatory zone and the price carries on upwards. Head and shoulders are a nice pattern, but they don't always work, and I'd like to use them in conjunction with other indicators. So on your own you might look at the chart and think, yeah, it's not healthy, but you know, don't jump to any conclusions just yet. So let's have a look at the Heikin-Ashi charts next. So what are they showing us? It's on the daily chart, the usual indicators, the black line, the 200 moving average. Price is below there, so it's giving us a weak bearish sign. We've got a breakout from the box giving us a short sell figure, and actually both the indicators are negative. So in the short term, yes, I would say bearish setup at the moment. But if you also notice that 30,000 line there is holding all the way back, and there's been a lot of noise going back to the early parts of 2021. So actually the price really over June and July has been pretty flat and stagnant. Yeah, it's gone down a bit, but after that sort of short sell-off in May, you know, it didn't really want to get under 30,000. So yes, negative, bearish, but you know, it's a consolidatory zone to watch. So the Renko charts, what are they giving us? Well, it's another interesting setup actually. I've used 1,000 point block size for the charts, and again go to around that 30,000 zone. Look at the double bottom we had back in early 2021, and the price more recently has hit there twice in that zone and has repelled back upwards towards, you know, an average of say 38,000, and that's the zone it's been in, that 30 to 38,000 for, like I say, June and July. Signal wise, yeah, it's still bearish in the short term. It's under the moving average. It's broken out of the Donchian bands there. The DMI and the regression lines are both signalling negative. So I wouldn't be buying it right now. I'll be looking for maybe sell breakdown trades, but it looks like there could be a lot of consolidation going on, and with the volatility of Bitcoin and also the fact that you can't really see and understand and follow the big players behind the market, it's very useful to look at the technicals and follow what you see really in trading this, and just, you know, if you're going to trade it, put big stops on, keep safe and sensible in your risk management. But at the moment, yes, it's looking weak, but as always, it's buyer or seller beware. So let's summarize things then. Overall, I'm gonna have to give it a bearish signal, only because all the technical indicators are pointing that way, and my way of trading is to follow what the technicals tell me. But I have a feeling it feels more weak bearish because of that consolidation zone, and because of the volatility and the way this market works, it could quite, you know, quickly reverse to the bullish upside. And if we actually look at the potential targets to upside, they're actually slightly better, I think, in terms of risk reward than the downside. Again, we're being more aggressive here with the stops, but these stops, well, call them aggressive, they're there because the volatility in Bitcoin is so large. You know, you want to hold these trades for a longer period of time. You've got to give it some breathing room. So like I say, the bullish upside potential probably better than the downside, but at the moment, you know, I wouldn't be buying until those signals became a bit more positive. So there you go, a quick look at the technical analysis of Bitcoin and the current situation it finds itself in. Do you agree with the analysis? Let me know in the comments below. If you don't, let me know your thoughts. Where do you think the price is going in the short, medium and longer term? Do you trade strategies and ideas in these cryptocurrency markets? Again, let me know. I'd be very interested to find out. And if you've been interested also in the technical analysis that I've been using in the Chart of the Day series, then I'm going to put some further links in the description below that you can follow if you want to find out more. So if you've liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of this sort of content that I'm going to produce. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.